Good day, viewers. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, my country people. How una day? Hope say this weather day good soon. Don't worry. As things dey for Naija, it go better very soon. Everything go cool. Everywhere go stew, and everybody go smile. So you are welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I shall be analyzing the recent ongoing university recruitment. Yes. About 2 universities are massively recruiting in Nigeria for academic stars. Covenant University in Ogun State and Trinity University in Yaba, Lagos State. They are massively recruiting for academic staff. If this is your first time of coming across to this channel, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Ifeyinwa, and in this channel, I bring to you the latest trending opportunities such as scholarships, when I mean latest hot job trending opportunities, fellowships, grants, and competition for you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell in order not to miss any of the wonderful opportunities I will be bringing for you. Yes, let's quickly analyze these job vacancies. Covenant University in Ogun State is one of the fastest growing private university in Nigeria. So Covenant University is inviting application from qualified and interested candidates to fill in the following vacancies. And you know their payment is very, very okay. Covenant University is one of the private universities I know in Nigeria that pay very well. They pay their staffs. Their salary is very, very okay. They pay very well. So do not panic as you apply for this job, because you are covered when it comes to their salary structure. Their salary structure is very, very okay. Yes, Covenant University is inviting application from qualified and interested Nigerians to fill in for the following vacancies. They are recruiting for graduate assistants, for assistant lecturers, for lecturer 1, for lecturer 2, for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors in the following faculties and their departments. We have the Faculty of Science and Technology. In the Faculty of Science and Technology, they have about 14 positions or 14 openings. So they're inviting application for graduate assistants, for lecturer 2, for lecturer 1, for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors in the following departments: physics, building technology, chemistry, mathematics, biochemistry, computer science, management and information science, architecture, estate management, microbiology, and applied biology. Yes, the following departments that are recruiting for assistant lecturers, for graduate assistants, for lecturer 2, for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors. For the Faculty of Management and Social Sciences, they have about 10 openings. Yes, about 10 openings or slots are vacant for the Department of Management and Social Sciences, or 10 departments that are recruiting for graduate assistants, for lecturer 2, for lecturer 1, for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors in the following departments: accountancy, banking and finance, mass communication, sociology, economics, entrepreneurship, human resources management, industrial relations, business administration, and marketing. For the Faculty of Engineering, about 7 departments are vacant for this recruitment. They are inviting application from qualified and interested candidates to apply for graduate assistants, lecturer 2, lecturer 1, senior lecturers, associate professors, and professors in the Faculty of Engineering in the following departments: chemical engineering, electronic engineering, computer engineering, information and communication technology, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and petroleum engineering. So if you are from any of these departments and you have sound academic qualification and the working experience, I think you should consider applying for this job. Faculty of Leadership and Development Studies, the application is invited from suitable and qualified candidates from the following department to fill in for this job. Also recruiting for assistant lecturers, for lecturer 2, lecturer 1, senior lecturer, associate professor, professors and graduates, assistants in the Faculty of Leadership and Development Studies. So the following departments, right from the following departments, you are eligible to apply for this job: English, Psychology, Political Science, and International Relations. Now let us look at the general requirements for these vacancies. Yes, the general requirements for these vacancies is that interested and qualified candidates must possess a first degree result or certificate with not less than second class upper division. That is for those applying for graduate assistants. For those that are applying for lecturer 2, you must have your MSc or your MSc or doctorate degree with not less than 3 years working experience in teaching and researching in the universities. And for the senior lecturers, for associate professors, and then for professors, you must have your doctorate degree in your area of specialization. It is very important, with your scholarly publications, about at least from 8 scholarly publications, and your working experience in the university in teaching and researching experience, at least not less than 3 years working experience in the university. Yes, interested and qualified candidates who wish to apply for this job should email their CV. Yes, their CV and their application letter, well detailed. Please, your CV should be well detailed. Make sure that your CV is very interesting and up to date. Make sure that your CV is looking very neat and good into asrecruitment@covenantuniversity.edu.org. Kindly check the description box. I'll be dropping the address for you, or the link where you can apply for this job in the description box. So click the description box for the address or the link on where you can apply for this job. Now, the second university that is massively recruiting, when I mean massively, they are recruiting very well. More than 50 vacancies or almost 100 is available in this university, the Trinity University in Yaba, Lagos State. Yes, Trinity University is one of the fastest growing private university in Nigeria. They are equally recruiting. The Trinity University is inviting application for suitable and qualified candidates for the positions of assistant lecturers, for lecturer 2, for lecturer 1, for associate professors, readers, and for professors in the following departments: computer science, information technology, medical laboratory science, nursing science, anatomy, microbiology, biotechnology, accountancy, economics, mass communication, international relations, business administration, and marketing. Yes, about 12 departments are open for this job recruitment, and are recruiting for assistant lecturers, for lecturer 1, for lecturer 2, for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors. Now let us look at the qualifications for these vacancies. For assistant lecturers and for graduate assistants and for lecturer 1, interested and qualified candidates should possess or have a first degree with a minimum of second class upper division, and MSc in relevant area of specialization. That is for those that want to apply for assistant lecturers, or for graduate assistants, or for lecturer 2. And your MSc is very important. Your MSc is very important, and you must have at least 3 years working experience, and 3 years working experience both in teaching and research in a university. While for those that want to apply for senior lecturers, for associate professors, and for professors, Candidates should possess a PhD, that is a doctorate degree in their area of specializations, and must have 3 years teaching and research experience in a university. You must also have at least 30 publications in both local and international journals. That's for those that are applying for associate professors, for professors, and for senior lecturers. You should take note of this. It is very important. Interested candidates should send the application letter with comprehensive CV and other relevant information. When they mean comprehensive CV, that is your curriculum vitae, it means that your CV should be well detailed. Your CV should be well detailed. Your various job experience well analyzed and described in order to stand a better chance of being selected. Every information that is required of you should be well detailed in such a way that it will that the person reading your CV or seeing your CV will not have the urge to resist it, and the person must call you for job interview. Please make sure that your CV is very okay and up to date. You should send your CV and the application letter well written. Please, the application letter should be well written and other relevant information to register at trinityuniversity.edu.ng. Kindly check the description box. I'll be dropping the address in the description box for you. So once you click on the address, that is where you will submit your CV, your application letter, and other information that is of importance to this job recruitment there. Remember that the deadline application for this job for both the Covenant University and for Trinity University is on 30th August 2021. So it's just 10 days left. You should apply, hurry and apply. The earlier you apply for this, the better. Please, if you are finding this video interesting, informative, and educative, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video, and also drop on the comment section things you want me to do in order to serve you better in this channel. I'll be open to all your suggestions and your opinion. Thank you for stopping by. I wish you good luck in your application process. Bye.